Rise of Luma, a tiny light, a big dream. Luma, a tiny firefly, watches others light up the sky. She tries to shine but falls, feeling small and unworthy. A wise old glowbug tells Luma, every light has its time. He gives her a glowing seed and a mission to plant it. Luma ventures into the misty forest, where darkness looms. With each flap of her wings, she guides lost fireflies home. A fierce storm throws Luma to the ground. Rain drowns her glow, and she feels like giving up. Luma remembers the wise glowbug's words. She finds strength in her heart, reigniting her golden light. As she plants the seed, the forest glows with magic. Fireflies gather, inspired by Luma's courage. Luma rises, her glow now the brightest of all. Her light becomes a beacon of hope for generations to come. Luma's journey proves that even the smallest light can shine the brightest and inspire the world.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.